Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Christina at Homeschool and Grace, and today's video is part three of Clean With Me, my schoolroom. So, again, for a recap, if you haven't seen the other videos, and I'll link the first one or the playlist up here, wherever it is. I do the Fly Lady system. I'm following along with Fly Lady Cat, and so today I have 15 minutes. I'll clean up in here, and I'm going to tackle the closet area. I'm hoping I'm just going to start at the top and like work my way across. Or actually up here. Work my way across. So in the closet, I keep all our, like, My Father's World cycles, like family cycle, and then like the preschool, all that stuff. All goes in here. And so I need to make room for, Rome to Reformation needs to go on the shelf because we're about done with that. And then I also need to add the next school years, which will be 1850 to modern time. Yeah, I forget. What am I teaching? Okay, exploration to 1850. I couldn't find the book. The last one's, I think, 1815 to modern times for the family cycle. So we're going to be starting that in the fall. So I got to get that stuff up on the bookshelf. And I just want to get rid of, like, curriculum that we're just not using. As much as I'm like, yeah, we're going to use that, we're just not. So I've got to do that. It is hot in here, so hopefully I can do this. Okay, so I'm going to get set up, and we're going to get started. I got to get my timer. So here we go. Okay. You see that? My glare. 15 minutes. All right. Okay, that's all aboard the animal train. Okay, that's all good because I haven't even messed with that. I'm gonna move this. I forgot to show you. I have my bin, so here's my put away. This is give away, and then I've got a garbage can for my throw away. Okay. Put away. Somewhere else. Old math book. Throw away. Okay, and if you're wondering, so we've got All Aboard the Animal Train, Voyage of Discovery, God's Creation from A to Z. This is kindergarten. Learning God's Story, first grade, and I'm coming down to Adventures. It's a mess. So I try and keep the books, you can't even hardly see what I'm doing. I try and keep the books for that cycle together so they don't get mixed in our main library. Okay, so now we're going to move on to exploring countries and cultures. This needs to go somewhere else. Missing books from Creation of the Greeks. I am. I think my daughter has come and pilfered books. Okay. Whew. So that's Rome to the Reformation. I'm going to have to move down, so I'll have to show you. Okay, this needs to go somewhere. Back up. Okay, so here is our math section. We are not going to do Singapore anymore, so I'm going to get rid of the Singapore. I know it might be crazy. Ow. Put it going to save these just in case. Okay, my memory card was full, so I had to empty it real quick. So I'm going to set my timer back 10 minutes because that took a lot of time. Okay, so we got 10 minutes left. Okay, so I was just about to say I got rid of our Singapore stuff because we're not going to use it. And now I'm going to get rid of Life of Fred. Poor Fred. But we just don't use it. We do use Matthew C, so I'm going to save Primer and Alpha. This is an old math Singapore book that I'm just going to toss from kindergarten. There we go. Okay, so now this is clear. So I'm going to put this, I got to empty this box out because it's driving me crazy. So this is Exploration to 1850. At least I have another box. Okay, some first grade stuff. Got rid of an old math book and got a new one for the new year. Okay, so I thought we might use Heart of Dakota. I was going to take some ideas from it, and we didn't. So goodbye. Heart of Dakota, these I got to put somewhere else. Okay. I know I'm crazy. I'm going crazy. I'm getting rid of all about reading. Except I am saving the books. Okay, I'm going to save this. Okay, so now I'm going to put all my language lessons together. So 3, 4, and then we're using the other ones still through the summer. These language lessons and writing skills will go down here. And handwriting. Okay, I'm going to put math back up here. Okay, what do I do with these? Do I save them or get rid of them? I think I'm going to have to get rid of them. Okay, get rid of those. This is an old math book. Save it for now. Actually, I'll save this. I got to make you a video on this. Cool. I got to save that for a little while longer. Yahoo! So look, now I can put my Matthew C blocks with my old Matthew C books. Okay, so down here, these two are both completed work of my kids. I don't think I want to open this. Okay, these are old, like, math tests. We've got old first grade, and then, like, each of my kid has a binder full of stuff. I'm going to have to start going through this stuff. Okay, I don't need that. This is all about reading. I had put it all into here. We're not saving it. So at least that makes me feel a little better. Okay, if you want to see how much I have in just one bin. Okay, here's 2 binders, 3 binders, 4 binders, and 1. I don't know if this is like overwhelming. I don't think I can handle that for a little bit. Okay, then over here, oh my word, this one's full. Okay, old papers, this is going to trash. Binder, a notebook. Why do I have a notebook here? Oh, goodness. More first grade. On board the animal training. Voyage discovery. More first grade. Trash. More first grade. Or no, this is all boarding. On my last video, I asked what you guys wanted to see of this. So I'm hoping to make a decision what I'm going to do with all this. I've got to do something. This is not acceptable. So I'm thinking about taking one of these binders for each of them and just their whole school career up to at least high school, keeping like a couple of things that were like memorable for each of them. Because honestly, you know, as an adult, I don't go back and look at my old schoolwork from grade school. Like, I don't do that. I have like one thing I saved, maybe two that like were special to me, and that's it. So I don't think they're gonna want all this, so I've got to get rid of it. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of this. We'll start. There we go. Okay, here's our craft bin. Oh, there's my timer. Okay, well, I'll just put all this up. I made a little dent. There. Okay, timer up. See it? Oh, no, there. See it? Ah. Okay. I'm in the way. So you can see here, so I organized these each better. There, and then we came down here, and there's adventures, exploring countries and cultures. I'm missing a ton from Creation of the Greeks. I think my daughter, that was like her favorite year. I think she's pilfered a bunch of my books, but I'll show you here. It's very bare. And paints, that's not very organized. But look at, there's, Exploration to 1850. Got that all out. Here's all our writing skills and language lessons for today that we'll use, and then a few Matthew C. books and our math blocks. Those may move eventually. Play-Doh, sensory bins. You might be wondering, why do you have a table in your closet? So I'm now going to be, in the fall, teaching 5 of them. So my 2-year-old will be starting the preschool program very mildly, but she needs her own little table. So I don't really have another place to put a desk, so she's going to be kind of in this little closet area. There's no doors, so it kind of works. And I might have to rearrange the shelves again for her to do that, but it works for now. It is hot in here. Okay, I'm going to show you what I got to put away and what I'm giving away. Okay, here's my giveaway bin. It's full. It's full. Look at all that stuff. So I gotta, I think, make a little trek up to the Homeschool store. And then this is put away. So now, time for me to put away. I think I'm gonna put the bananagrams with all the where am I trying to point? Right here, with all the language stuff. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you if you're trying to get your schoolroom cleaned up and ready for the fall. This is just a start, so I've got kids crying. Okay, I gotta fix one thing. This is driving me crazy. So thanks so much for stopping by today. I hope this video was helpful for you if you're trying to get your schoolroom cleaned up and just get rid of curriculum you're not using. Don't be scared to. It's just good to get it gone. So I've got to haul this huge box downstairs full of old curriculum and just be done with it. So anyways, I hope to see you at the next video. Oh, don't forget to, here's some other videos to check out and hit that little subscribe button. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.